wanatetea officers wao. Lakini you are telling us we must move on. We must move on with what? A failed marriage. That is not, it is not supposed to come from a senior officer.
Is that the reason I'm here?
Let me tell you an instant of my brother.
I don't think we are together in that. Mi siko hapa tuseme tuendelee. Tuko hapa tukubaliane na ile feedback nitapele.
Madam, you have told us you are a senior superintendent of police, meaning you are throwing a threat to us so that we comply.
No.
That is it. You go wrong. Okay. I apologize. Let me continue. Why is he running away?
Your feedback is very important. Your feedback is very important.
Yes, thank you very much.
And that's why I'm starting up to now, so that I can get your views.
Yes, give me
Yes,
time.
I see APA.
I beg you to let me finish, madam.
Yes, kindly.
And he has run away. Because this one is going directly to him. Right now, my brother is in Mandera. I want you to listen to me very carefully, and this is why I'm fighting so hard.
Yes.
He's in Mandera.
Mm-hmm.
His wife fell sick. I am the person who is just near. That is Makueni to Kisumu. That is the nearest person. When the wife was taken to hospital, police mnasema. The police rejected her. The husband, we could not reach him in Mandera. What did you expect us to do? This is somebody ambaye anatolewa 2,000 plus every month that has made these people to dress well the way they are dressing here. And your wife is in the hospital. They have denied her chance to be admitted until you don't qualify. Yet here anaandika unlimited. Does he really understand the full meaning of the language unlimited? Then we must begin from the onset. We asked him, right now he's fighting for us to write a feedback. Do you know the secret behind that feedback? And that's why I asked him, how secured is your wall that we are sure that this result or answers we are going to give will not be tampered with and be redirected? That is what the pioneer did. The following day unasikia serikali imewapatia APA tena. Why? Because they tampered with our responses, which was denying their contracting. Secondly, Makali is not here. Director of medical care, the National Director of Medical Care Police, is not here. Not even a representative. I don't know whether you are the representative. You did not identify yourself towards that. Now, who is writing anything down? I don't even see anybody noting the complaint, and you're telling us to bring you a complaint. I don't even see media here capturing or any media. So these things are going hot here. So you're playing with that picky ponky game here.
Why do you know kama ni hot here?
Let me tell you, our answer is we are not feeling
And
that
you choose
strong.
someone who will represent you from Machakos Forum, nitampea feedback kama atakuwa amepata feedback yenu ya ile vitu yote mmeongelelea hapa.
We are coming from
Can I take your
Makueni,
number?
madam.
Kindly.
Makueni, not Machakos.
I mean Machakos.
We are from Makueni. I personally is from Makueni. So you people, you came here, you don't even understand the audience you are addressing, and you are here ping-pongers. This is bullshit. Can you hold on the meeting? We go back, you go and prepare yourself. I woke up at 1 a.m. to come to this meeting, yet you don't even know I'm coming.